When you send your device into 3CPM for upgrade, it becomes unintegrated from your computer. When we send your upgraded device back to you, it will require a reintegration process. To do so, we will send you a Dropbox link or a thumb drive. On that thumb drive will be included a file called HWinit. Before reintegrating your newly upgraded device, ensure that the device is plugged into your computer via the USB cord. Once it is plugged into the computer via the USB cord, go ahead and double-click the HWinit icon, which you should have placed onto the desktop of your computer, and then simply press OK. Your device is now reintegrated to your computer and ready for use.